Hello, mommies! At alam ko napaka-excited niyong lahat na matutunan muli ang mga tips and tricks ng ating guest ngayong araw na to. Kasi siya ay, kumbaga, pag sinasabi nating breastfeeding, siya na talaga yung queen, 'di ba, dito sa Davao City. So, eto na nga, kilalanin pa natin siya. Mas kilalanin pa natin siya. Let us say hi to Mommy Tere. Hello, Mommy Tere! How are you?
Hello, Mami Ara. I am good. Thank you so much. 1 month postpartum.
Yes, 1 month postpartum, pero grabe, paspasan mo nag-slim. Uy, sana all. Sana all. Grabe dyan ang breastfeeding. Effect sa breastfeeding, di ba? Ayan. Mami Tere, thank you again for saying yes na mag-guest ka din hi. Isa dyan ka sa favorite ng mga guest na ko din hi sa ko ang channel because it's always a good time talking to you and daghan jud mi o dili lang ako but pati ang mga viewers marami kaming natutunan from you. So thank you so much. But this time, Mami Tere, gusto namin na mas kilalanin ka pa ng mabuti. Eh, tama ba Tagalog ko, Mami Tere? But we want to know you more, of course. This time, we would like to know you as a mother, you as an individual na, alam mo yun, hindi lang puro breastfeeding, but yung ikaw na ikaw talaga. Ayan. So, let's start, Mami Tere. Of course, ito, alam na namin kung anong sagot, but I have to ask you this question. Baka may mga konting mga idadagdag ka lang na hindi pa namin alam, but still, eto na. How do you empower moms through your branding and niche, or how do you empower moms, your friends?
I empower them by means of supporting them genuinely. No, I think the reason why the Mommy Tere was known was because I do my job from the heart. Parang hindi kasi ako yung tao na kikilos nang hindi buo yung puso ko sa isang bagay. Kung wala akong gana, hindi ko gagawin ang isang bagay. So, I always do it. I always make sure na kung tutulong ako, buo ang loob ko or buo yung puso ko, I am very sincere on everything that I do. So, that's it. I make sure that after a mom has talked to me, she will be very confident of herself and she will be very confident to share it with her friends as well and the people around her who will be needing the same help that she had from me.
That means a lot, Mami Tere. Kanang, mujud na ang ikaw, mujud na ang Mami Tere nga nailhan yun na mo.
Oh.
And one thing that we love about you is that you are approachable and dili gid mi hindi kami nakaka-feel ng any kind of intimidation. Pag sinasabing Mami Tere, ay friendly yan, yes, malalapitan natin yan. Approachable yan, okay na okay yan si Mami Tere. Kaya nga, love na love ka lalo na ng mga breastfeeding moms kasi mas aside dun sa comfort na nabibigay mo, comfort and help na nabibigay mo sa amin to ease out these struggles ng breastfeeding, syempre, it's the friendship that really matters.
Totoo yan.
So next question, Mami, Mami Tere, next question is, what is one learning experience that you had as a child made much impact on you?
Actually, Mommy, I would recall my mom telling me na every time you do something, para kang nagpipirma dun sa ginagawa mo. So, put your best, give your heart in everything that you do, and sign it after. Like, after you have done the job, kaya mong humarap taas noo, kung sino sinong gumawa nito? Ako po ang gumawa niyan. So, you have that pride in you na ginawa mo yung isang bagay. So, yun yung isang hindi ko makakalimutan na turo sa akin ng mama ko na in-impart niya talaga sa akin as a child na made me somehow a perfectionist kasi yun din yung turo ko sa mga anak ko. Pero it helped me a lot kasi nandun yung puso mo yung passion mo sa lahat ng ginagawa mo.
Totoo yan, Mami Tere. Ganun na ganun. Exactly, di ba? Kasi you always bring out the best. You always do your best. Your heart, you give your heart to passionate ka. Yun talaga yung one word that best describes you. Passionate ka. And I'm happy na yun din yung itinuturo mo ngayon sa mga kids mo. And kabalupod ko nga, independent po yun ang imuhang mga kids. Kaya before pa, during our first meeting, gina-mention dyan, mo sa ko, Ana, you allow them na bantayan yung kanilang mga kapatid, na sila-sila lang, and you don't rely to any relatives, diba?
Yeah.
Sila-sila lang. Ayan, so I know yung mga kids mo are also very passionate and independent din. Ayan. Speaking of kids, Mami Tere, ano yung 3 bagay na gustong-gusto mong gamitin para sa kanila ngayong taon? Pwede kang mag-name ng mga brands kung gusto mo, Mami Tere.
Okay. Well, ako lagi ko kasing sinishare ang powers neto. Do you see this? I think you know this. This one, Calendula Healing Salve by Naturay Gentle Solutions. What I love about Naturay is that it was made or it is made for everybody. Like mapabata. Wala, hypoallergenic siya eh. Wala pa akong nakitang tao na hindi naging effective ang calendula. Now, calendula can be used sa mga cuts, burns,
mga gasgas, kahit sa pimples. Pwede yan.
Mga kati-kati, mami. Sobrang laking tulong niya. So, eto, gamit ko, lahat kami dito, gamit sa buong bahay. And I'm glad na when I share this to other parents, na paulit-ulit, mami, meron ka siyang calendula. Okay. So, yan. This is one I can share. And, this one.
Yes, ang tubod mist. Ganahan sad kay ko, Ana, Mami Tere, but I would like to hear your story about it first.
Tubod mist, mami, one time, yung eldest ko, nagkaroon siya ng sore eye. Nakuha niya sa kaklase niya. So, pag uwi niyang gano'n, sige, nilagyan ko siya ng mist, spinrayhan ko siya ng mist. And then, like, within 30 minutes, nawala yung redness, medyo, sabi niya, medyo itchy, konti na lang hanggang sa, in an hour, wala talagang bakas. Walang kabakas-bakas ang sore eye sa kanya. So, sabi ko, para na rin matuloy-tuloy, sabi ko, magdala ka. Isang ganito, mami, dala niya sa school. Tapos, mga kaklase niya, di ba, meron. Pinrayhan din niya. Alam mo yung buong class nila, nawala talaga yung sore eyes. And the teacher told me, ma'am, ano yung pang-spray nung anak mo na, alam mo yon, lahat sila, natatakot na nga ako for myself dahil ganito. Dahil nangangati na rin yung mata ko. And then nung spinrayhan niya, it works like magic. So, sabi ko, tubod mist po yun. This one kasi is a scalarized water. So, pinapenetrate niya ang kaliit-liitang pores natin. So, madali siyang ma-absorb, naki-cleanse, and nare-rejuvenate kumbaga kaagad-agad. So, maganda rin siya para sa skin. May glow finish. At the same time, kung lalabas ako sa sobrang init, mag-spray lang ako. It works as a sunblock then for me. Tapos ngayon, gamit na gamit ko siya kay Pramity. Hindi na ako gumagamit ng wipes or what. Kasi eto na yung pang-spray ko, yung after wee-wee niya, ito yung ginagamit ko. So, she never had any diaper rash. So, napakalaki. Actually, I'm waiting na magka-diaper rash siya. Kaya lang hindi siya naka-diaper rash. Kasi I'm waiting to use the tawag dito, soothing diaper cream
Ng
from
Naturay.
Yes. Kaya lang hindi ko siya magamit. I don't know if I need to give this up so I can use the Naturay, tawag dyan, the Naturay diaper rash cream. But anyway, I still want to use it one day with other children. Maybe I can recommend that. That's it.
And then,
Another thing, you said 3, diba?
yes, third item is?
Well, it's not that I'm doing this to plug the Naturay Gentle Solution, but I am really a fan because I find it really helpful. Kaya lang that item, naubos na. I gave it to one mom who has problems din, yung anak niya sa pagiging super dry ng skin. So just like me, ang Naturay's lotion, yung moisturizing
Mabango yun,
lotion.
Mommy. Mabango yun.
Sobra. I ran out of stock, pero I love it so much. Sobrang love ko yun. And I prove it effective.
What's nice kasi, Mami Tere, about Natural Gentle Solutions, hindi sa parang we say this para mag-feel good si Colleen ha, but tested and proven na kasi siya. Tayo mismo na nanay, nasubukan natin on our kids and nasubukan rin natin sa sarili din natin, di ba? Yung Naturay kasi, yung active ingredients niya are natural and organic. Ay, okay lang, mom life. Okay lang, natural and organic. Kaya love na love natin yan. And yung pinaka-paborito ko nga is yung nasabi mo, yung number 1, yung calendula. Kasi kahit ngayon, Mami Tere, yun ang hanap pa rin niya na para pag, for example, may mga insect bites or mosquito bites siya, yun talaga, Mommy, I want that one, can you please put it on my, ganyan talaga yung mga naririnig ko sa kanya. Ayan, so ready na rin, nagwa-vlog na rin dyan si, ano po name, Pramity?
Yes, Pramity.
Pramity, o diba? Ayan. Okay, Mommy Tere, moving forward with our 4th question, ano yung Christmas message mo para sa mga parents na nanonood ngayon?
Well, Merry Christmas to everyone. And let's stay at home. Let's enjoy our, a solemn celebration with our family, an intimate celebration with our family. Let's learn how to cook, explore how to cook with our kids or with our husband. Kasi home-cooked meal or home-cooked meals are still the best, the most nutritious, and of course, it's very safe then. You know that it's clean. And like you have to order from outside, you always have that, parang, did they prepare this right? Diba? May ganun tayong ano eh. But anyway, that's one thing I can tell all the moms to make it homey for everyone this holiday season. And yeah, stay safe. Of course, especially this time. Wag muna tayo maglabas-labas for the safety of everyone. Yun lang.
Mami Tere, pahabol lang na question. How about para sa mga breastfeeding moms na may having a hard time with their breastfeeding journey, lalo na ngayon pandemic, tapos December pa, paano nila i-enjoy yung Christmas na may problema pa rin sila or may mga dinaramdaman pa rin sila, may mga doubts pa rin sila sa sarili nila?
Well, to all padede moms out there, I want to congratulate you for choosing the best for your baby. Now, ngayong pandemic, it is the best decision that you have ever made for your child. Kasi unang-una, it's the safest. It is your shield against the virus. It's not only protecting your baby, but it's also protecting you against the virus. The antibodies that the baby gets from the breast milk, that's also the equal protection that you get for yourself. Now, if you are feeling like you're uncomfortable, you have to, find comfort in everything that you do. Not only physical comfort, you have to have that, mental comfort or psychological uh, peace. You need a peace of mind. You need that support. I am here to support you. We are a lot. Okay? We are a community of padede moms and you can count on us. Hindi namin kayo iiwan sa ere. Hindi kayo nag-iisa. So, just seek help. I will be there. You can message me on my Facebook page, Touched by Tere. You can also message me on my personal account. I will be more than willing to I will be more than willing to help you with your questions, your worries. You can talk to me about anything under the sun. You know, I will be so much eager to hear from you.
Totoo yan. And si Mami Tere, hindi talaga kayo niya iisnabin. So, i-PM nyo lang si Mami Tere sa kanyang mga social media channels. That's Touched by Tere. Sa Facebook at sa Instagram. Ayan, Mami Tere, that was really very meaningful and napaka-puno ng wisdom. Tama ba akong term? Grabe yun ang imong wisdom. Wala kung gusto pasabot sa Bisaya pa. Ang imong wisdom, di yun na mo malampasan, di yun na mo malabuan, di yun na mo matungkad. Grabe yun kang wisdom. Labi na pag-abot sa empowering breastfeeding women. Ayan. Mami Tere, thank you so much again for this Vlogmas. And mommies, see you on January kasi Mami Tere will be sharing us her water birth story. Oh, excited ka. Balong excited kayo mo. Pati ako excited pag kaayo ko. So for now, let's say bye-bye to Mami Tere and see you on January. Bye, mommies!
Bye-bye!